Hello everybody, this is Saad with you again, your favorite realtor, and it's an exciting time again because Nadal Sheba Garden Phase 7 is coming up. Miras has just announced a brand new launch, and I want to show you a sneak peek into the Nadal Sheba Garden first things that is being developed into Nadal Sheba Garden. So this right there, you can see this is called the square. This is inside of Nadal Sheba Garden. Now this is going to be like a retail, restaurants and amenities kind of space. You can already see how beautifully this is taking shape. We're going to talk about the new launch, what to expect right here, and also the development update of phase 1, what's happening. So I'm going to share with you everything, but for now just take a look at what Miras has done right here. It's so beautiful. This whole area that Miras has made inside of Nadal Sheba Garden. Now all the residents will have access to this beautiful place right here. This is called the square. You can see it's winter time in Dubai and people are more outdoors enjoying the beautiful weather and different things Dubai has to offer. Now this is what Miras is all about. Miras is a lifestyle and luxury developer. All of their launches are based around the best locations, the best lifestyle and the best quality and finishes. So Miras is truly a boutique luxury developer, and today you're going to see what Miras does, not with their villas, but just with their common areas and amenities and communities, what kind of things they provide. So please do like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned. So guys, welcome to Nadal Sheba Garden. This is the first development that is ready inside of Nadal Sheba Garden. This is called the square. So please follow me. You can see that downtown is right at only about 10 minutes distance from this very place. Now, this is the square, and very close to this is where phase 7 of Nadal Sheba Garden is coming up. And just take a look already how beautifully Miras is putting the amenities within this place. You have some amazing restaurants right here and a lot of beautiful olive trees that you see all around. So this is one of the first places that has opened up within Nadal Sheba Garden, and you can also see in front of me, I can see in the distance, I can already see Burj Al Arab right there in the distance. You can see it's that right there is the beautiful Burj Al Arab as well. So let's talk about the new launch that's coming up right here in Nadal Sheba Garden. We are going to be having two types of products. We're going to have townhouses and villas. The townhouses are going to be 3-bedroom, G+1 and G+2 townhouses. And for the villas, we have 4, 5, 6 and 7-bedroom villas that are going to be coming up right here. Now, Nadal Sheba Garden, each and every launch of Nadal Sheba Garden has sold out on day 1. This is the kind of community that people would love to stay in. Miras is known to be a top quality boutique developer. They have a lot of trust in the market and everybody is flocking to buy these very townhouses and villas right here, and each and every launch has completely been sold out. So let's talk about payment plan first. We're going to have a 60-40 payment plan, and the beautifully designed villas are going to start from a price point of 11.8 million dirhams. Phase 7 is going to be very close to this very place that you have right here, the square. Phase 7 is coming very close, very low supply of units, only about 140 total units that are going to be launched right here, and these are going to be selling out like hotcakes because just look at the location. We're so close to downtown Dubai. We're so close to all the hotspots of Dubai. Now I want to compare this to another community that is super close to downtown Dubai. That happens to be District 1. Now, please go check on Google, check on Property Finder, the prices of 4-bedroom or any kind of villas in District 1. You're not going to find any villa under the price of 20 to 25 million. All right. Now, these villas right there are extremely high in price, mainly due to Nakheel being a top quality developer and the location being extremely prime. Now, this happens to be yet another example where Miras is a top quality developer with very low supply coming into this community in a premium location, amazing build quality, amazing luxury developments. So now let's talk about the products coming up in the new launch. We have 3-bedroom townhouses, and then we have 4, 5 and 6-bedroom villas coming up right here. Now I'm going to tell you the prices. The townhouses, the 3-bedroom townhouse start from a price of 4.4 million. The 4-bedroom villas start from a price point of 10.8 million. The 5-bedroom villas start from a price point of 12.6 million. 6-bedroom from 16 million. And the 7 bedrooms from 21 million dirhams. These are the prices right here in Nadal Sheba Gardens. Now, these might seem high prices to you, but a 4-bedroom villa in District 1 is selling for 20 to 25 million. Over here, you have the opportunity to buy even a 7-bedroom villa at the price point of 21 million. A massive villa with huge plots inside of a beautiful community with the best amenities that you can find in Dubai. Now, I've brought you here to give you a look and feel into what kind of a developer Meraas is in terms of community living, what kind of things they do inside of the communities. This is absolutely amazing. Now, villas itself are going to be really good because Meraas is known to be a luxury boutique developer. The payment plan, 60-40 payment plan. Now, this is really good because in the previous phases, Meraas pushed up the payment plan to 80-20 and now we are back down to 60-40 even. So, the payment plan is really good. Handover is in 2028, all right? If you look at the supply of apartments versus villas, the villas are extremely short supply in Dubai. We have a very big shortage of luxury villas in Dubai. So this is a category that if you have a budget, a villa over here starts from 11 million. So if you have a budget of 11 million, you should definitely be looking to invest right here in Nad Al Sheba Garden, prime location of Dubai. Top tier developer, you cannot go wrong investing right here. Again, the launch will be coming up very soon. Registrations are open. If you're interested, do message me at the earliest to make sure that you register yourself a beautiful unit right here in this launch. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to head towards phase 2, where the first townhouses and villas are launching. I'm going to show you the construction update. These are due to handover next year, so we're going to take a look at that as well. So let's go and check out the existing construction that's going on right here. So let's go. So we've just exited from the square and now I'm going to show you the community, the actual width of the community, the scale of the community. And keep in mind, the supply over here is extremely low. There's going to be less than 1,500 total units, combining the townhouses and the villas inside of this community. So that's a very low supply within such a huge master plan of a community. Most of the spaces within the community are going to be dedicated for green spaces, open common spaces like what you just saw inside the square, and these kind of common areas. Most of the spaces are dedicated for this. So again, very low supply community. In front, you can also see the lights that are on right there. That is the Maidan race course. So imagine the kind of people who are going to be around. The horse racing World Cup happens right there every year. That's where it's hosted. So the location of this very place is extremely prime. Now on this side, you can see the boards of Nad Al Sheba Garden. So where we were was kind of towards the starting point of Nad Al Sheba Garden from that side, and now we are heading towards Alan Road side. So you can see all the size of this community. All the boards that you see, this is all going to be part of Nad Al Sheba Garden community. So the size and scale of this community is absolutely massive. Now this right here is the middle point of the community. This is the center point. Now we keep going even further and you can understand the very size of this community. And now I'm going to show you phase 2, which was the first part of the development inside the master plan. Phase 1 was sold as plots. So there's always a confusion. Why is the phase 1 called phase 2? Because phase 1 of Nad Al Sheba Gardens was sold as plots for people to make their own villas, and then phase 2 was inside of the community, right? So inside of the master plan, they started from phase 2. And over here, you can take a look. You will start seeing the phase 2 townhouses and villas on the right side. So all of these that you see on the right, these are the first phase of Nad Al Sheba Garden. Basically, it's called phase 2. This is the construction update. You can see the community is already taking shape. You can see the townhouses, you can see the twin villas and some of the villas, and it goes so deep on the inside and it extends into a very big community on the inside. There's going to be a total of around 10 phases and a total of around 1,500 units inside this. So all of this is phase 2. And just to make you understand what was phase 1, this right here is phase 1 that you see. These villas that are built up right here. Now these were made by the owners as per their liking. The plots were sold over here. 5,000 square foot and 10,000 square foot plots were sold right here. And people are making their own villas based on their own taste. This is not part of the master plan or the gated community. The gated community begins from phase 2 that we saw right there. All right. If you're interested to see the floor plans and get a report on this very new launch in Nadal Shiba Garden, you know who to get in touch with. And for now, this is Saad Dubai Realtor signing off.